What's up, everyone? This is Kat, the Biz Dev Manager here at Aloware. Today we're exploring a feature in Aloware that helps streamline the process of sorting and grasping calls and contacts and their disposition. So categorizing and understanding your call interactions is so important in customer service and sales. So what are dispositions? Dispositions are labels or tags that you can assign to your contacts and calls within Aloware. These tags will categorize and track the outcomes of your calls, allowing for efficient management and analysis of your communication efforts. You won't have to rely on your memory to recall details from previous interactions. Now, what is the difference between call and contact dispositions? Now, contact dispositions are tags that are assigned to individual contacts in your database, helping you to categorize them such as customer type or lead status. On the other hand, call dispositions are specific to individual call interactions. So these tags help you track the outcomes of each call, such as no answer or busy, to help you really get some insights into your communication strategies. Now, setting up dispositions in Aloware is simple and intuitive. So you go down to your account tab right here, and this is where all your settings will be. Now, inside your settings, you can look for call and contact dispositions. And here you can easily add a new contact disposition. You can see all the ones you have. Same thing with a call disposition. Add it here as well as see all the ones that you have. With dispositions, so you can also streamline your reporting. So I'm going to go over to this reporting tab right here. And here you will see up here that I have call dispositions and contact dispositions. So here are all of your call dispositions, and you can see them right here. You can also group this by either date or agent. You can do the same thing with contact dispositions. And there you go here. So here are your disposed contacts here. You can, like I said, you can do this by agent as well, or just by date. Now, I hope this video is beneficial in demonstrating to you how to effectively use call and contact dispositions function inside Aloware. Again, this is Kat. I look forward to sharing more tips and tricks with you about how to best utilize Aloware, the platform. Thanks so much.